Ever wondered how your washing machine works its magic? It all starts with agitation. The drum spins, creating a whirlpool effect. This movement helps to loosen dirt and grime from your clothes, but it's not just the spinning that does the trick. Enter detergents. They break down stains at a molecular level. When mixed with water, they create a powerful cleaning solution. As the drum rotates, this solution penetrates the fabric. It's like a mini tornado, lifting away the dirt. And don't forget the rinse cycle. This washes away all the loosened grime and detergent. So, next time you do laundry, remember the science behind it. Want to learn more about how to keep your clothes fresh?